Salam everyone, hello and welcome. This is Aya, and today's video I'm going to show you how I made this shaker deconstruct card. So if you're interested, keep watching. And for best inspiration of card making mixed media project, consider subscribing to my channel and hit the bell to be notified in every time I post a new video. So let's get started. Okay, so first I'm gonna show you new colors, new watercolors I bought. This is called Paul Rubens. I hope that I'm pronouncing his name correct. I bought it from Amazon. I was looking for a watercolors and this came across. It was really affordable price and I said I want to buy it and give it a try. I will do a review and a separate video in the near future. But let me show it from inside. At first it came a really fancy box, you know, with this brochure and a watercolor paper chart so you can, you know, swatch your colors. Really fantastic. And it's really a good price. I'll try to link it in the description box. And I love how these, you know, pans looks like sweets, like candy. So here how it looks, and they are really good. I mean, yeah, some people say, why are you saying the truth? Come on, I'm saying the truth. This is first. Second, I don't like really to say a bad review about a product. Maybe there is something I did it wrong. So if something I did it wrong, I need to figure it out maybe later. So don't just come here and criticize, you know, or write a bad comment. No, you don't understand, you know, this stuff. Come on. I mean, and then it's my opinion. You want to take it, fine. You don't want to take it, also it's fine. I just am sharing my opinion. If you have another opinion, just write it down. You know, it's not a fight. Anyway, so now I have this background stamped by Art by Marlene. I'm going to heat emboss it using gold embossing powder, and here I'm using the watercolors. I really love the colors, and it gives me this let's say the chalky finish, which I was not a fan of it, but anyway, this was my first time, you know, to use it, so I need to really to use it more often, you know, to see if I need to add more water or add more you know, colors. But anyway, final result, I really like how it turned out. Again, comparing to the price, I think it's like $45 or $50. Come on, you cannot really compete the price. Anyway, so as you see here, all the shiny thing, I really love it. And I think this would be more beautiful if I try it on, you know, black watercolor paper, but I don't have. Yeah. So anyway, let's go back to the card. So I'm going to deconstruct again my background. So I want to have like a straight line and also, you know, like a triangle shape, same as this geometric. So I'm cutting a little bit randomly, and I'm going, you know, to again heat emboss all the edges. I'm using a Versamark pen. This is very handy, you know, to have it. And I'm going to emboss all my pieces because I'm going, you know, to build it again as a shaker card. So now I have my sheet, and now trying again to construct now, you know, the frame for my shaker card. Again, I'm using a liquid glue from Tonic, and I'm just having, you know, a heavy thing, you know, to stick everything together. I'm using here a craft paper, and I'm embossing also my sentiment using Art by Marlene sentiment using Wow embossing powder. This is a gold. I'm going to write everything, the products in the description box. So now I used foam tape and I added pink sequins, and finally I adhere everything together and have a shaker card. You know, for embellishments or for final touch, I have you know, crystal stickers and butterfly. And here we come to the end of the video. I hope you like it and get inspired. Please don't forget to give me a like. It's free to give me a like. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.